I took the sannyas order. One has to accept the renounced order from another person who is in renounced order. So, I never thought that I shall accept this renounced order of life. In my family life, when I was in the midst of my wife and children, sometimes I was dreaming my spiritual master that he is calling me, and I was following. When my dream was over, I was thinking, I was a little horrified. Oh, Guru Maharaj wants me to become sannyasi. Oh, how can I accept sannyas? At that time, I was feeling not very satisfaction that I have to give up my family and I have to become a mendicant. At that time it was a horrible feeling. Sometimes I was thinking, no, I cannot take sannyas. But again I saw the same dream. So in this way, I was fortunate. My Guru Maharaj pulled me out from this material life. I have not lost anything. You are so kind upon me. I have gained. I left 3 children. I have got now 300. So I am not loser. This is material conception. We think that we shall be loser by accepting Krishna. Nobody is loser. I say from my practical experience, I was thinking that how can I accept this renounced order of life? I cannot accept so much trouble. So, but I retired from my family life. I was sitting alone in Vrindavan, writing books. So this, my Godbrother, he insisted me, Bhaktivedanta Prabhu. This title was given in my family life. It was offered to me by the Vaishnava society. So he insisted me. Not he insisted me, practically my spiritual master insisted me through him that you accept. Because without accepting the renounced order of life, nobody can become a preacher. So he wanted me to become a preacher, so he forced me through this Godbrother, you accept. So unwillingly I accepted. And then I remembered that he wanted me to go to the Western country, so I am feeling now very much obliged to this Godbrother that he carried out the wish of my spiritual master and enforced me to accept this sannyas order. So this Godbrother, His Holiness Keśava Mahārāja, is no more. He has entered Krishna's abode. So I wish to pass a resolution of bereavement and send them. So And I have composed one verse also in this connection in Sanskrit. So you all present, you sign this, I shall send it tomorrow. The verse I have composed, it is in Sanskrit. Vairāgya-vidyā-nija-bhakti-yogam. This Krishna consciousness is Vairāgya-vidya. Vairāgya-vidya means to become detestful to this material world. That is called Vairāgya-vidya. And that is possible simply by this bhakti-yoga. Vairāgya-vidyā-nija-bhakti-yogam. Vairāgya-vidyā-nija-bhakti-yoga Apāyayan. This, just like medicine, a child is afraid of taking medicine. That also I have experienced. In my childhood, when I became ill, I was very stubborn. I won't accept any medicine. So my mother used to force medicine and within my mouth with a spoon. I was so obstinate. So anyway, similarly, I did not want to accept the sannyasa order, but this Godbrother forced me. You must. Apāyayan. Apāyayan means he forcefully made me to drink this medicine. Anabhīpsu Andham. Why I was unwilling? Anabhīpsu means unwilling. Andham. Andham means one who is blind, who cannot see his future. The spiritual life is the brightest future, but the materialists cannot see to it. You see? But the Vaiṣṇavas, the spiritual master, they forcefully, you drink this medicine. You see? Apāyayan mam anabhīpsu bandham śrī-keśava-bhakti-prajñāna-nāma. So, this my Godbrother, his name is Keśava, Bhaktiprajñāna Keśava. Kṛpā-sindhubhya. So, he did this favor upon me because he was ocean of mercy. So, we offer our obeisances to Vaiṣṇava, kṛpā-sindhubhya. Vañchā-kalpa-tarubhyaś, kṛpā-sindhubhya. The Vaishnavas, the representative of the Lord, they are so kind. They bring the ocean of mercy for distributing to the suffering humanity. Kṛpā-sindhubhya samaham prapadde. So, I am offering my respectful obeisances and to this His Holiness, because he forcefully made me adopt this sannyasa order. So he is no more in this world. He has entered Krishna's abode. So I am offering my respectful obeisances along with my disciples. On the first day of my sannyas, I never thought, but I remember that I will have to speak in English. So I remember on that sannyas day when there was a reception, so first of all I spoke in English. So it is all arrangement of Kṛṣṇa, of higher authority. So we are writing like this, resolve that we, the undersigned members and devotees of the International Society for Krishna Consciousness Incorporated, in a condolence meeting under the presidency of His Divine Grace A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami, today, the 21st of October 1968, at our Seattle branch, express our profound bereavement on hearing the passing of His Grace Om Vishnupada Bhaktiprajñāna Keśava Gosvāmī Mahārāja, the sannyasa guru, preceptor of our spiritual master, as on October 6, 1968, at his headquarters residence in Navadvip, West Bengal. We offer our respectful obeisances unto the lotus feet of Śrīmad B.P. Keśava Gosvāmī Mahārāja with the following verse composed on this occasion by our spiritual master. This verse I have already explained to you. So, I wish that you all sign this and I will send it tomorrow by airmail. Have you got pencil? One side spiritual name, one side Vairāgya-vidyā.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Hare Ram, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Ram, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Ram, Hare